Spence Crossings, Fernhill Condo, absolutely beautiful 2-bedroom, 2-half-bath condo with open floor plan, 9 ceilings and wood floors throughout main floor. Brand new stainless steel appliances, dishwasher and also brand new washer and dryer on main floor. White plantation blinds on every window. Near Oceana, Lansdowne, Amphitheater, Lynnhaven Mall, restaurants and much, much more. 24-hour gym, even open on holidays. Large clubhouse, in-ground swimming pool, basketball court, walking/bike paths, luscious landscaping and beautiful lake, benches to enjoy lake views. Must see. Go to www.stonerrentals.com for online application.